And there we go. Managed to, I'd forgotten I'd bought two more of these batten lights, same as I've put in the middle there. So I've put those up, and the jewels that end, you can see that flickering, can't you? I think certainly can on the screen here. So I managed to make the connections live, so I haven't disrupted any power anywhere, and yeah, it's all good. Tested the RCD, everything's good there. Tested the USB ports. This one works very well here, but it does need to be turned on. Either of these switches will power that. That light will go off in a moment. There you go. So as long as one of those is on, we've got power here and to the USB, and then power to the other side. So yeah, pleased with that. Data connection is good. It's flashing away. So that's it really. I've just done a little bit of painting where we've missed some, now that I can see with the lights, and also where we damaged various bits and pieces by scraping boards and pipe and bits and pieces around. So yeah, that's it. Now we've just got to concentrate on moving everything over, work permitting really. But yeah, that's it. Just thought I'd show you it with the power and the lighting. I don't know whether you can see how bright it is in here, but it's, you know, absolutely fine. We don't need any extra lights, we've got enough. So yeah, all good. Thanks for watching again.